to the TPP Learning Academy. In this video, we will be showing you how to access video consultations via email or SMS. This means you don't need to use a webcam, just a device such as a smartphone. To start using this functionality, there's some setup. Navigate to the Setup menu, Users and Policy, and Staff and Organisation Setup. From here, pick the relevant staff member and amend the staff profile. From here, ensure they have a mobile number and an email address added into their staff profile. This will ensure that they can actually use the SMS and email functionality for video consultations. Once this is done, confirm the information. To now start using the functionality, navigate to the appointment screen. From here, we have patients booked into our appointment screen. Our patient sitting here is booked into a video consultation slot. By right-clicking over the patient, we now have the option to use email or SMS video consultations. The clinician can access the preferred option of communication with the patient. Once one of these options has been selected, you should see a pop-up information box appear on the screen saying if the link has been successfully sent. An email or SMS will now be sent to the relevant address. By selecting the link, it will take you to the web page. Within System 1, a passcode will automatically be generated. This can be copied and then pasted into the web page to start the video consultation. Within the web page on your device or your smartphone, you can then paste in the passcode. By selecting Log On, this will start the video consultation with the patient. From here, it will open up a new window. You'll be able to view yourself and also the patient that you are doing a consultation with. Once the consultation is over, you can close down the web page. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.